How to sign in into Wise account. For that you need to open your preferred browser and you need to type a URL wise.com on your web address bar and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to the official site of Wise. Then you need to click on login button at right corner of the screen. Sign up Sign in page will appear where you can sign up or sign in to your Wise account. For now, you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in, or else you can also log in with Google, Facebook, and your Apple ID. So let's enter our Wise account's email and the password. Now you need to click on login in order to log into your Wise account. If you haven't yet created an account on Wise, you need to click on sign up button or the link and easily create an account on Wise. So that's how we log in or sign in to our Wise. Thank you for watching.